Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Jon Venus here. Today I'm going to be discussing whether or not vegan bodybuilding is better than meat-based bodybuilding and whether or not the GameChangers movie is debunked, because a lot of people are going to start criticizing the vegan lifestyle, the plant-based diet, and start debunking this documentary that is promoting the plant-based diet for athletic performance and for health. A plant-based diet or a vegan diet for bodybuilding can be as optimal as a omnivorous diet tweaked and customized towards the goal of building muscle. It's exactly the same thing, and this is the whole point of the movie, in my opinion, is just to show that there is no difference. You're not sacrificing your fitness performance or your health or anything by going plant-based. You're actually might be even improving it, which I do believe to be true in many ways. There is no difference. Like, you can reach the optimal or your potential on a plant-based diet just as you can on an omnivorous diet. So that's what I always tell people, and that is a fact. Like, I mean, I've been doing this for almost 5 years now, building muscle. I've been injured, lost all my gains, and now I'm building muscle faster than I can ever remember building muscle before, because of muscle memory, and I'm optimizing my diet, having more protein. What I'm telling you is that all plants contain all of the amino acids that you require. There is no, scientific experiment that has to take place for you to reach your protein intake. You don't have to pair one amino acid with the other and just like try to calculate everything. Your body is so smart and it does everything for you, as long as you're following some basic principles of knowing which food categories include protein, like grains and legumes and nuts and seeds and these things. You're not going to have an issue meeting your amino acid requirements and getting a good amino acid profile, just as if you were to eat animal products. So I think that a lot of people will start debunking the GameChangers by going after the people who are featured in the movie, right? So people like Patrick Baboumian, who was a strongman, I'm not sure, I think he's retired now, and just say, oh yeah, well, this doesn't count because he was strong then and now he is retired and now he's weak, blah blah blah. I think there was a sprinter in the movie who got injured as well. So people use injury or setbacks as a way to debunk the whole film, which is pretty funny considering that everyone gets injured no matter what kind of diet you're following. All the athletes in the world, almost all of them experience injuries, and it's like 0% of them are vegan, or maybe now it's like 1%. So we're on the right track here. And then of course you'll get people saying that the bodybuilders featured in the film, like my good friend Nimai Delgado, they're nowhere near as big as Mr. Olympia and these guys like Phil Heath, Kai Green, etc. It's super hard to find someone who's even remotely interested in fitness who is vegan. Imagine finding someone who's like super serious about their craft and wanting to make it to the Olympia stage, injecting extreme amounts of exogenous hormones and doing whatever it takes to get there. A lot of people who want to make it to the big stages and just put on as much mass as possible, they really, like, to them, experimenting with a plant-based diet is very, very challenging, because they feel like they'll waste time. Like, even just 2 months on a plant-based diet to experiment will kind of get them thinking that they're gonna be 2 months behind, and that could be the determining factor whether or not they place better at their next competition. So I understand the fear around this. So I hope the vegan bodybuilders who are featured in the film, aka Nimai and Misha, can be an example and inspire people to at least give it a shot when they have their off season or something. But I am 100% sure that in the future we will be seeing huge, massive muscle dudes who claim to be vegan. There is no doubt about that in my mind. I understand the skepticism around this movie. I understand the skepticism around plant-based diets. I understand the skepticism towards the vegan lifestyle. But facts are facts. You can't run away from them, and that is why I know that the truth will reveal itself at the end, and I know that I'm on the right side of history. I know a lot of you guys watching right now are too. And all you got to do is just, embrace the actual scientific evidence that is out there right now. And we have to stop, cherry picking case studies and anecdotes to support what we believe in, right? And I know it's hard. I was the biggest meat eater. I was the biggest anti-vegan dude in the world. And the reason why I am vegan, why I'm able to do this, is not only because of my love for the animals, but it's because I know for a fact that my moral compass is doing what it's supposed to be doing. I know that my actions are aligning with my values, and I know that I'm building muscle, being, getting fitter and stronger and all the good things. So stick around if you want to see how I personally do things, and hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this topic in the comment section below. That would mean a lot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon. Peace out.